campus. I'm very fortunate to say that I'm among those 13 students who are going for the IIHM Eurowine Tour 2022. I'm very excited about this tour as we are visiting Italy and France, and the sub-regions we are going is Franciacorta, Asti, Piemonte, Beaujolais, Burgundy, and finishing our trip to Paris and then flying back to Delhi. I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to IIHM, Dr. Suborno Bose and Mr. Keith Edgar, as this tour is a sponsored trip and we have to take a lot of tests for going on this tour, because we have attempted a subjective question, then we have done a blind testing, and then we have done an interview with Mr. Keith Edgar, and I got selected among approximately 150 plus students in the Kolkata campus. And I am very thankful to the college, to all the faculty members, to IIHM, and I am very excited about this too, because we are learning about the local tradition that Italy and France have about wines. We are learning about new grapes and about the harvesting process there. We are learning about the food and wine pairing, and we are visiting to a caviar factory, and then we will get to know about the food and caviar and champagne combination, the pairing that they have. So I'm very excited, and I'm pretty sure that I will be getting a lot of knowledge, and I'm very excited about this too, and I'll share the experience after I come back from the tour again. Thank you.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.